Press and hold the Fun button until the menu shows a 0, then release it. Press the Ink button several times to select C0. Press Fun to set the value for C0. Press Ink or Deck to set the value. Then press Fun to confirm. The gate is triggered the auto-closing function. If the control board has a smart module, set auto-closing timer after fully opened is so easy. Turn on the app, select the device, click the setting button, and click the setting. Select auto-closing timer for fully opening. Enter value, click the confirm. Open the gate in place. When auto-close timer start to count down, the state LED will flash one time each second.